Hey you guys, I'm going to do another video for you all about natural hair and how to grow long, healthy hair.
In this picture, my hair is so dry, you guys. It is about time for a nice protein treatment. Mayonnaise and eggs, miracle treatment.
It's really tangled. I haven't washed it in probably 8 days. It's like almost baby dreadlocks, but it is growing. Hey you guys, so I got my 2 eggs. Cha-cha-cha. Some people can use 1 egg, just depends on how much hair you have. As you see, this is quite a bit, so I want to make sure I really drench it really well with a bunch of eggs and mayonnaise. It doesn't matter what brand you use, off brand, off name brand, whatever. The cheapest one is the better one. I'm going to put 3 spoons of the mayonnaise in there, stir it up really extra fine, and place it in the hair. My hair is slightly damped. As you guys saw earlier, it was completely dry. Now it's slightly damp. So let's see what it's gonna look like. We'll place it in there, put a plastic bag. Leave it in there for a couple hours, and you guys are going to see what it's gonna look like after. And it's very healthy protein for your hair. I'm really happy about the results. The hair is super soft, shiny. I rinsed out the mayonnaise and the 2 eggs with the castor oil. Just make for sure you rinse it out with kind of like cold water. You don't want to cook the egg. You don't want to cook the egg in your hair. Anyway, it came out really soft and shiny. I have shrinkage. What I do is part it off in sections and I comb it out, and then I put in a light twist. And I can take the twist out and it'll be really pretty curls. But for right now, this is easy maintenance. And as you see, it's growing. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me and like me.